Yeah, Brian, health officials' concerns with this first case discovered this week is that it could lead to more in our area. Health officials say the number of vaping-related illnesses across the country right now are at an outbreak. So far, there are more than 450 suspected cases across the nation. 6 of those resulted in death. Health officials say King County and state health officials are now putting a focus on vaping concerns. They say they're reaching out to medical providers and looking through records to see how big of an impact vaping may have on lung illness. In this confirmed case right here in King County, medical providers diagnosed a teenager with acute respiratory failure. This teenager met the CDC's requirements for vaping-related illness, and that caused him to be hospitalized for several days. Medical professionals say the teen vaped for at least 3 years and used products that had nicotine and saffron in them. Health officials say there is a simple fix to combating this crisis.
E-cigarettes and vaping are not safe. That's the bottom line. People should all know and understand that e-cigarettes and vaping are not safe. Everyone should be aware of the risk for severe lung disease and avoid using e-cigarettes and avoid vaping at this time until the cause of the outbreak is known.
Here's another big reason to be concerned. Local health officials say here in King County, 25% of high school students admit they vaped in the last 3 months. Now, both King County and the state of Washington are looking at possible regulations and, in some cases, outright bans on vaping products.
All right, AJ, thank you. And tonight, President Trump is calling for a nationwide ban on all flavored e-cigarettes.
People are dying with vaping, so we're looking at it very closely. And, you know, if nothing else, this is a conference that's going to let people know about it, because people are going to watch what we're saying. And parents are going to be a lot tougher with respect to their children.
Tonight, the FDA is reportedly working on final guidance on a ban, but the White House says a plan is just weeks away. The proposal would require e-cigarette companies to take all non-tobacco flavored products off the market. Right now, the FDA does not regulate flavored e-cigarette products. No single ingredient or device has yet been specifically linked to this vaping illness. But we asked the governor's office if Washington state is considering a ban, and a representative says the governor has asked for a look at these options, adding, quote, "There's nothing in the works yet, but we are looking at different possibilities, such as whether flavors should be banned from vaping products." We're going